Here at Autocar India, we're all about getting out onto the open road and going for a drive or a ride. However, now is not the time. The coronavirus is a very serious issue, and it's time for you to work from home. We appeal to all of you to take it seriously too. Stay away from meeting people. Wash or sanitize your hands as much as possible. And if you're sick, talk to your local doctor and try and get a test. And just to be safe, cover your face with a mask if possible. The time to drive cars and ride bikes will come again, but for now, stay home and stay safe. Less than a year after the India launch of the rather comprehensive update for the 6th generation model, Hyundai has revealed the all-new 7th generation Elantra in the USA. The design of the new Hyundai Elantra is possibly the brand's wildest yet, and a complete departure from the current model, with an even swoopier coupe-like profile. We were just getting used to the look of the new Creta, but now Hyundai has introduced a new facet of its sensuous sportiness design theme called parametric dynamics. Having 3 surface lines meet at one point is the main element of this new design theme, and prominent creases all across the bodywork give the new Elantra a decidedly aggressive look on the outside. The Elantra's new LED headlights merge into the humongous cascading grille. 17-inch dual-tone alloys add visual flair to the dramatic side profile, and the sharply raked roofline flows smoothly into the fastback style rear. T-shaped LED elements in the taillights are linked by an LED light bar, forming a flying H logo when lit up. The 2021 Elantra is based on the new K3 platform, and Hyundai says this makes it lighter than the outgoing car despite it being larger. The new car is 56 mm longer, 51 mm lower and 26 mm wider, with a 20 mm increase in wheelbase. Hyundai claims that despite the drop in height, the new Elantra has the same amount of headroom on the inside as the outgoing model, while offering more leg and shoulder room for rear seat passengers. Inside, the new Elantra gets a fully redesigned dashboard and a 4-spoke steering wheel, as seen on the new Hyundai Creta. Top-spec Elantras will get twin 10.25-inch screens, one for the instrument cluster and another for the touchscreen infotainment system. 4 AC vents are part of an element designed to look like a single slim aircon vent spanning the width of the dash, and a grab handle for the co-driver rises from the front center armrest and extends into the dashboard. The equipment list includes Hyundai's BlueLink connected car tech with voice recognition, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, an 8-speaker Bose surround system, a sunroof, ventilated seats, 64 color ambient lighting, and wireless smartphone charging. Hyundai has chosen to carry over the 2-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine from the current car, but this time with a CVT rather than a torque converter automatic. However, for the first time, the brand will also offer a hybrid powertrain for the Elantra. It pairs a 1.6-liter GDI petrol with a 32 kW electric motor with a 1.32 kWh lithium-ion battery for a combined output of 139 horsepower and 264 Nm. For India, Hyundai could offer its new 1.5-liter diesel engine as an option if there's sufficient demand in the segment, but more likely is the 1.4-liter turbo petrol. All 3 powertrains will be lifted straight out of the Creta. Expect the new Hyundai Elantra to come to India sometime in 2021, with prices expected to be in the range of 16 to 22 lakh rupees ex-showroom. What do you think of the new Elantra? Do you like the design? Will it give a better fight to the likes of the Civic and Octavia? Let us know in the comments below, and as ever, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay notified.